Pi board using Raspberry Pi Imager tool. So you need to so for installing OS you need a Raspberry Pi board. So I'll be using Raspberry Pi 5, a micro SD card, a USB card reader, and internet connection. So in the first step, you need to insert SD card into your computer and format it. Then you have to download and install the Raspberry Pi Imager tool from the official Raspberry Pi website. After downloading, just install it and run. So when you start the Raspberry Pi Imager tool, the first step is to select the device from the available options. So you have to choose the appropriate Raspberry Pi board as per your requirement. So here I will be choosing the Raspberry Pi 5. The next step is you have to choose the OS from the given options. So I'll recommend 64-bit OS if you plan to run ML or other computationally intensive applications. Then you have to select the SD card. There are other optional configuration settings, such as you can set the username and password. You can set the wireless LAN settings, such as the wireless network name and password, or you can enable the SSH, so that you don't need to connect it to the monitor or desktop using HDMI cable. So once you set the wireless LAN ID password, you can directly connect it to your laptop without using HDMI cable, or you can access using SSH. So after doing all these configuration settings, then hit the right button. So once the OS is flashed into your SD card slot, you need to safely remove it from the computer and insert the card back into the Raspberry Pi card slot.